We got a very light, welcoming interior color here. On this side here, you get your floating dinette with a bench seat. This bench seat does have extra storage underneath. Then over here, you get your dual reclining theater seats. Towards back of the coach here, you still get your sleeper sofa, three seat sleeper sofa there. We got cabinets up above, and we got some hidden storage on each side of the couch here. Hidden storage does have some outlets and USB ports at the bottom. Now on the entertainment side, we get our huge TV here. Cabinets up above. These are the soft close hinge cabinets throughout the coach. Also get your fireplace. And then we got the cabinetry here is going to be very similar to the Paradigm reinforced drawers here. 3-burner stovetop. Stepping over this particular avenue here has the 12.7 two-way refrigerator. Flush floor slides on throughout the coach in these avenues as well as the Paradigms. Then you get a nice sized pantry here. Stepping up into the bathroom here, we get the residential shower and the toilet with the soft close seat. And in the bedroom here, we got our second AC that's ran with the thermostat in here. Separate thermostats for the Coleman Qs. And we got the king size bed with USB and outlets easily available on the side here. And stepping into the massive closet here, it's designed just like the Paradigm front end here. Washer and dryer prepped for you. Thanks for taking a first look here at this Alliance Avenue. I'm inviting you guys down to come take a look at this thing. It's going to go quick. Like I said, there are very few of these available in the country. This particular model, again, was a 32 RLS made by Alliance, the Avenue 32 RLS. Give us a call at 605-743-4002 or come visit us here in Harrisburg, South Dakota. Thanks.